You can define zones that will be used to create network bills or equipment bills. These zones will also be used as filters to manage attributes. We're going to create 3 zones on this drawing. The zone named All represents the whole of the modeling space. Let's add a new zone and name it. Now we're going to define it with a succession of points. Click to confirm, and the zone closes. Let's add a second zone that we call Zone 2. And let's also create a Zone 3. Once the zones are defined, you will see them appear within the Bills commands and the Attributes Management commands. Click on Manage Attributes. We can see our zones here. Click on Bills. We can see our zones here too.